Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to real quick show you something that I came across today. The other day, a couple days ago, I posted a picture of some Indian hawthorns that had been eaten by bagworms. Well, today I came across these knockout roses. There's 3 knockout roses here that have been completely destroyed by bagworms. So it's very, very important to realize that bagworms are not just a threat to cedars and junipers and cypress, those types of trees. That's what most people think, and that's when you see them most often. It's most common to see them in those types of plants and trees, but they will attack other plants as well. They will attack your rose bushes and your hawthorns like we saw the other day. So keep an eye out for it. It's real easy to diagnose bagworms. They've got the bags hanging off the limbs of the plant. So if you see something or if it looks like something's been eating on your plants, just take a good look around, dig down around it a little bit, and see if you can find any of those bags. If you find them, remove them. If it's a small shrub like a knockout or Indian hawthorns, and you can just physically remove them, then do so. That's what you need to do. Just dig around, find all the bagworms you can, remove them, dispose of them, and you should be good to go. Now, if it's a tree, something taller you can't reach, or maybe even a knockout rose, if it has a lot of thorns, you don't want to reach down in there, you can use a bifenthrin product to spray on the plant or the tree, and that will get rid of the bagworms as well, a bifenthrin product. So those are your 2 options: remove them or spray them with bifenthrin. But either way, it is a pretty easy fix, but it needs to be done because they will destroy your plants. So hope that helps. If you have any questions about that, feel free to let us know. Thanks.